Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open the hood of a Ford Transit. First, you'll need to find the hood release lever inside the cabin. It's usually located on the driver's side, often near the footwell or under the dashboard. Give this lever a firm pull to release the primary hood latch. You should hear a click as it disengages, indicating the first step is complete. This action partially opens the hood, preparing it for the next step. Now move to the front of your Ford Transit van. The hood will be slightly ajar, allowing you to reach underneath. Carefully feel along the front edge of the hood for the secondary safety latch. This mechanism is designed to prevent accidental opening. Once you locate it, you'll typically need to push a small lever or pull a tab to fully release the hood. It's a simple step, but crucial for safe access. With both latches released, you can now lift the hood completely open. Look for the prop rod, which is usually attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. This rod is essential for keeping the hood securely open while you work. Insert the end of the prop rod into the designated slot or hole, ensuring it's firmly seated. Always double-check that the hood is stable before you begin any maintenance or inspections. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod and secure it back in its original clip. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 1 foot from fully closing. Don't just drop it from a high point. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Finally, press down firmly on the hood, usually in the center, to ensure both the primary and secondary latches engage securely. You should hear 2 distinct clicks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.